What inspired me to pursue a career in aviation was really just the fast-paced environment.
Just knowing that I can fly and just go anywhere was the selling point for me.
Once I got into it and I knew that I could travel the world and I was so passionate about it, that's when I decided to pursue my career in aviation.
So I grew up in Colombia, in South America. I lived there for almost 10 years. So my whole childhood was in South America.
So we were back and forth for many years. For us, it's Puerto Rico, so it's still the US. So when we finally settled in Allentown, Pennsylvania, I was about 6 years old.
My parents, coming from, Puerto Rico, my dad didn't know any English. My mom was a registered nurse, so the opportunity came along for her when I was 5 years old to move here, and I've been here ever since.
I never thought I was going to be in the aviation industry, to be honest.
A lot of Hispanic people don't know that they can actually work in aviation. I do think representation looks like more Hispanic people in more leadership roles, so people can see that we can achieve those type of roles as well.
I wasn't in an area that had strong aviation presence, so I've appreciated over the years being able to have the opportunity to reach out to Hispanic communities and educating communities, schools with a high population of Hispanic demographic, being able to reach out that, hey, there's different scholarships and programs that people could access.
Having diversity, it benefits not just aviation, but any industry, right? Having different perspectives, and I think it just improves innovation as well.
Piedmont is extremely open to everybody. The people here, the leadership here, has always been extremely supportive.
My advice for someone that was going into aviation, go around, ask questions. People are open. People will let you know how they got into their positions. I just celebrated 25 years with the company, and so I was gate agent, I was cross-trained, I was a maintenance controller, I worked in ops, I worked in the tower. So I did so many things out in the field, and then I became a trainer.
Don't be afraid to be yourself. Use your experience, your background, even your history to move on, to grow.
Do whatever you can do to go ahead and move yourself forward. Show them that you're a really good employee and you will go far in this industry.